And also recently held was the French Society for Extracellular Vesicles meeting, which was also a very successful meeting from what we've heard. And we have here today several representatives of the French Society. One of those representatives is in my lab right now, Tanina Arab. Tanina, I'd like to hand this over to you to introduce our first speaker.
Thank you so much, Ken. Thank you for the kind introduction. And as a Twitter account administrator of the FSEV, I would like to invite everybody to follow us in this platform. We usually post events and also the newsletter and all of this. So please follow us on Twitter. I'm going to put the acronym later on in the chat. And for now, before jumping into science with Mathilde presenting her very exciting PhD work, I'm delighted to introduce Christian Neri, who is a professor and research director at the INSERM in Paris, and who is going to represent the French Society for EVs today and give us the last update about the society and what is FSEV up to. So Christian, please go ahead and take it from here.
Thank you very much, Tanina, and also thank you very much to Kenneth for the invitation to present the French Society for Extracellular Vesicles. So basically, what you see here is the board of FSEV. I am the vice president, and the president is Guillaume Van Niel, also working in Paris. We have a website that you can consult. We have also a linked pages. If you want to learn more about our society, but I'd just like briefly to explain what is the history of the association, the society, and what we do basically. So FSEV was created in 2018. We have a free subscription for the members. Incoming resources are coming only from sponsor of our annual meeting. And we are open to researchers in France, but also in French-speaking countries. And today we have more than 430 members in the society. So we are very glad about this. So the main objectives are obviously to promote French research on EVs via a number of actions that I will explain a bit later, but also to network with other EV-focused societies, whether it's FSEV or whether it's about societies that are focused on EVs in Europe, in Germany, in the Netherlands, Belgium, and so on. We are also networking with French societies in the field of biology and engineering, covering cell biology, immunology, neurology, nanosciences, metabolism, and also cytometry. So we have really a broad network that is really multidisciplinary, so to speak, considering the importance of EV across field of research. And talking about specific actions, we have a meeting every year. Usually more than 200 participants, including this year in Paris. We are also sponsoring and co-organizing meetings with other societies. For example, talking about neuroscience with Neurofrance, with the club Exo Ando in 2021. And our meeting this year was co-organized with AFC in the field of cytometry. We are also involved in regional and international workshops. For example, the EV Summer School in 2021, or the FSEV workshop, one of the FSEV workshops in 2021 also. We have a newsletter that is sent monthly to all members with all the usual information that is relevant to the stakeholders. And basically, we have also directories, for example, lab equipment map that is disseminated and updated and disseminated on a regular basis. And talking about help for the community in terms of meeting attendance and awards, we have travel grants that we award to for people to attend major events such as ISEV meeting, FSEV meeting, and also we are involved into MOVE, which is a mobility training program in Europe. And we have also PhD awards, and this year in 2022, the award was given to Mathilde Bergamelli, who did her PhD in Toulouse in the Malmö lab, and who's now working on as a postdoc at the Karolinska Institute